Hey guys, back in Dirty D's garage with a quick tip for you here. We're removing the air conditioning belt and there is no tensioner for that. So how do we get it off? Let's have a look. But not quite loud enough for us. We're gonna go ahead and order some more parts. Alright, so what we're going to do to get this AC belt off, I actually have a piece of welding rod that I use, or wire, whatever you want to call it. It's thick enough that it's not going to rip into the belt that we have, but it's not so thick that it's not going to work its way around there. So what I did was bend it in a U shape with a fairly flat bottom, about the width of the belt plus a little bit. And then put two hoops on the end, because I'm going to use two screwdrivers of some kind as handles then, because my fingers don't like to be ground up by the wire. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. Okay, so first we're going to work the wire down and under the belt, and then we're going to pull it up and over, and then we're going to crank the pulley to work the wire around. As you're pulling up on the wire, you need to pull outward so that it can jump over one groove or multiple grooves if possible. So we're going to work the wire in like such. It'll get started. And I have two little nut drivers that I can use as handles. So I'm just going to pull this way, but slightly this way. Try to get about halfway around if you can. Okay, so that's good. Just gonna pick that up in the air. Now we're gonna grab our ratchet, 3/8 drive, and I have a 7/8 socket on there. In case you need to see it, right there it is. So then we're just gonna work it the rest of the way around. Our fancy tool comes out. Okay, now that we got it around there, we're just going to do it again. Takes a little muscle. Then you just give it a little tug, it'll pop off. There it is. Ka-chinga! Alright guys, if you have any questions, shoot me a comment down below. Either that or call your mom. Maybe she can help you. Have a good one.